So we have a camera Insta360 X4. Let's unbox. So we have a camera with a nice hardware. Okay, let's open the box. So we have full moisture capture here. So we have one strap here. Only pull it. So this is lens protection cover. So we got a 2 lens protection cover here. Let's keep it for a side for now. This is some branding document, fixed tag guide, safety guidelines, and some waterproofing instruction along with the warranty card. Now, one more thing, we have a pouch. So this pouch is really useful and handy when you're traveling and you have to carry. So let's open a pouch. Okay. So nice zipper we have for this pouch. Inside that we have one USB to C cable to charge the camera. We have one, I think this is the cloth to clean the lens and camera. This is a guard. This is very high quality guard. We got it from Insta360. And this is some thermo grip cover. Okay, this one is having instruction to put that guard. This one. So yeah, we'll see it later. This is the nice cover we have, pouch we have. We have place to keep the memory card, Type C cable, and all the documents if you have tiny documents. Okay, let's put the camera inside and see how it feels. Yeah, it feels nice. We have Insta360 branding here.